Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be talking about something which we get a lot of questions about, which is where can you use filler that's kind of weird. You can use filler in a lot of different places that maybe it's not necessarily initially apparent. So where is the weirdest place? Kishi.
Recently I've heard about a doctor who specialises in giving Botox in the nipples to create sort of a pert, sort of always upright look. So just some injections in the sort of the brown area around the nipples called the areola, and that apparently creates that amazing effect.
I don't know, would you want to have pert nipples all the time?
It'd be all right, wouldn't it, really?
Why though? Why would you want it?
For a giggle.
Yeah.
Feel quite nice. I've not done it, and I haven't done it for patients either, but I think it's quite popular, and I can see why.
Can I just please just take a quick vote actually of who would like to have permanently erect nipples?
I wouldn't, no.
No,
thank you.
I mean, in all
But they
honesty,
are
don't
hot
put this
looking.
in all honesty, mine are always permanently erect.
Oh, really?
Can we not?
See what I mean?
Going back to the video.
Yeah. where were we?
So
So the other interesting area that can be treated with dermal filler is the head and the shaft of the penis to increase the girth and the size.
nice. So you can actually do a butt augmentation using dermal filler and Sculptura as well. It works best for those who only need to have a little tiny change. You know, maybe they've got just a little bit of a hip dip, something like that. You don't want to use it for big volume changes. For something like that, you really got to have surgery. But there is a filler, a couple of fillers actually made of hyaluronic acid, which are specifically used for that region. Or you can just use diluted Sculptura instead.
I've got someone booked in tomorrow for a butt augmentation. So it's
I think as well, you could totally touch up an existing BBL with that as well. So
Yeah.
I'm thinking when I have done my second round, maybe if there's some irregularity or something like that, we'll get involved. Other essential things you need after a BBL. Grabbing stick, because you're not going to be able to bend over, babe, for at least 6 weeks. Next essential, BBL pillow. Now you'll note that there is a slight modification here, and that's because I had to cut out the crotch.
yeah, and it's really good for dimpling of the skin or mild cellulite, you know, where you get slight depressions and irregularities, can really smooth that over. So yeah, it's a good treatment.
So Samira, you're feeling somewhere quite interesting.
Yeah, so actually I feel the external labia for women, and it's just to help plump that area out because unfortunately, obviously, with time and age, we get changes, and so it can tend to shrivel up and not look like how it used to before.
And there's also a functional element as well.
Yeah, there is. So as well as treating externally, we can also treat the vagina internally to address the issues of atrophy. And that is tightening, hydration, sensitivity, and enhanced experience with coitus, episiotomy scars, and to decrease urinary bladder dysfunction.
So Ewan, what are you using in knees?
Knees. Well, it depends what the issue is, really. If it's very lax skin, I might use an energy-based device to tighten the skin. You can use ultrasound, especially our ultrasound machine is very good for the knees. If the skin is crepey and loose, then you can do skin improvement products like Sunacos or Volite or even Profilo. And if there's volume loss, which some people have, and it does bother some people, believe it or not, you could use a thin filler, maybe something like Volbella.
I love a bit of Volite, actually. Yeah. Samira, what are you using in the vulva and the vagina?
I'm using Deseriol, so it's a specialised French dermal filler that contains hyaluronic acid and mannitol to help hydrate externally and internally. People don't know, but we can also use PRP, and in combination, we get the best results with combination.
And Kish, what products are used for penoplasty?
So you can use Stylage M, which is made by a company called Vivacy, and then the other product is from Allergan, which can be used, which is called Volift or Voluma.
All right, that's it for this week. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Let us know in the comment section below if you've ever had anything filled or injected in some way, which is kind of weird or outside the norm. We will see you again here next week. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.